Hi guys, welcome back to my page. Today's video we are going to be cooking jollof rice. If you are new here, you're highly welcome to Mercy page. You can come Beautiful Shine for life. I want to give a big shout out to all my beautiful and amazing followers. Thank you so much for your love and your support. I really do appreciate you. Now we are cooking jollof rice with chicken wings. Our chicken wings, let me show you. Our chicken wing is here in the oven. So let's make our food. Oil is already inside. I'm going to be adding my onion, and I will allow it to stay for a few minutes. Let's add our tomatoes. Okay, guys, we're adding one Maggi cube, chicken Maggi cube, and I'm adding my leaf. This will give the jollof rice, party jollof rice. I'm adding my chicken water because I make it in the oven, so I bring the water out from it. Now I'm going to be adding my curry powder. This is the last one, and let's turn. I'm going to cover it and let it cook for 2 minutes. Then I'll be adding my rice because my tomatoes is already boiled. So let's cover it. My tomatoes was boiled before, so I just want the ingredients I'm using to make this sauce, to make the jollof rice, to get into the sauce before we had our jollof rice, before we had our jollof rice, before we had our, what am I saying? Before we had our rice. Guys, let's put our rice inside. It is time to add our rice into the pot. Just one day rice. So let it cover it, let it cook. See you guys later. Guys, our rice is dried already. I'm going to be adding butter. Our butter is almost made, so let me just turn it together. Guys, our jollof rice is ready. Let's have a taste. This tastes so delicious. It gives me that vibe of jollof rice, party jollof rice. Look at. See you in my next video. Until I come your way next time. Bye guys.